Hello guys, this is your boy G Prediction. Hope you guys are doing alright, hope you guys are fine. Well, today I'm actually going to be teaching you guys on how to actually win bets with ChatGPT. I'm going to provide you the prompts to use. I'm going to provide you everything you need to know, both the leagues, the teams, and everything you should go for in this particular video. So if you watch this video to the end, you will get all the information you need. If I'm meeting for the first time, my name is G Prediction, and I guarantee you how to make that betting life very easy. And today I'm about to make your own personal betting life very easy. I've been preaching about AI for a very long time now. If you have been in my channel, I've been preaching about AI. I have tons of different betting strategy right on AI. So I'm going to recommend two powerful AI in this particular video and how you can use them, and I'm going to provide you the prompt to use, right? So if you watch the video to the end, you will get everything you're looking for. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Our first AI is going to be the most preached AI in this particular YouTube channel. It is called ChatGPT. So this is the powerful AI we are going to be using. This is the first powerful AI we're going to be using. Like I said before, I'm going to recommend two powerful AI to use. So this is the first one. So when you get to the ChatGPT, the next thing you have to do, if you're having an Android phone, you go to your Chrome server, chatgpt.com. If you're having an iPhone, go to App Store or Safari, and search for chatgpt.com. You're going to get to this interface like this. The next thing you have to do is to click on, so write a message to ChatGPT saying, I want to give you some tasks today. Make sure you say something like this so you can have a good communication bond with your AI, right? So don't just copy out the prompt I'm about to give to you and paste it to the AI. It's very, very wrong, right? So make sure you actually communicate with your AI. So after getting this, the next thing you have to do is to definitely put out the prompt I have. So I've already created out the prompt. I've already created out the professional prompt. I'm going to be sharing that. It's going to be on my video description. You can get it on my video description, and if you cannot copy it on my video description, message me on Telegram and I'm going to give you the prompt. It is very, very easy. So when you have the prompt, you just have to send it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to make analysis for you, and after that you get something like this after pasting out the prompt. Okay, the prompt contains instructions you are going to be needing, right? So after giving the instructions to ChatGPT is going to say, got it, I'm ready to provide highly confident prediction with detailed analysis for specific games. Go ahead and provide me with games you like prediction for. I'll get started, right? So after getting that from the AI, the next thing you have to do is to go back to your bookies, your SportyBet, your 1xBet, your Betway, whatever bookies you are using. You can go back to it, and actually I will tell you what to do. So let's go to my SportyBet right now. So this is my SportyBet account, and I'm actually here because I actually want to copy out game I'll be wanting ChatGPT to predict for me. So this Newcastle and Bournemouth, I'll actually have to copy out this particular game. You can copy any random game, but I'll tell you what to do at the end or somewhere around this video, right? So you can copy any random game. So for me, I'm copying Newcastle versus Bournemouth, right? Then I'll go back to my ChatGPT. Let's go, right? So this is it. I'm on my ChatGPT right now. So I have to paste the game I copied on my SportyBet. So when I paste the game I copied on my SportyBet, I'm actually going to be getting this prediction, right? So this is what ChatGPT is actually referring to me, that this particular match is going to play and over 2.5 goals to be scored, right? And let's check what other prediction they are giving. They're saying that they are going to be playing both teams to score. Yes, so this is what this AI is saying. And combo bet is going to be bet on both teams to score and over 2.5. The prediction is yes, right? So this is the reason. Right, so this is the reason. This combines the above prediction, making it strong value bet, giving both team recent form. Right, so this is it, and this is the correct score provided by the AI, 3-1 for Newcastle to win. So this is it, and high risk bet. This is what the AI is actually telling you. ChatGPT is telling you that this is a high risk bet, but you can actually go for it if you feel like you want to go for it. And confidence level for different bets, ChatGPT is going to give you everything you need. So this is for a high confidence bet. This is for high short game over 2.5 and both team to score and everything, right? So the ChatGPT is going to give you everything and also give you advice to go for what betting option to go for. So this advice is given to me right now on Newcastle and Bournemouth. Focus on over 2.5 and both team to score for more secure returns. High risk bet should be placed cautiously as they involve greater uncertainty, right? So after getting all this, from your AI, the next thing you have to do is to decide which betting option to go for. According to my AI, we have two betting options to go for, over 1.5, over 2.5, and both team to score. But for me, I can either go for over 2.5 or I can go for 1.5, right? So if both team can score, over 1.5 is going to be 100% certain, and if over 2.5 can play, over 1.5 is also 100% set. So I can go for over 1.5 goals to be scored in this particular match, and I'm actually going to be winning it, right? So that is how to actually predict with ChatGPT. So we are going to be running out another game again on ChatGPT before we go to the next website we are going to be using. So the next thing I have to do is to go back to my SportyBet account and copy out another game again and paste it to ChatGPT, and they are going to be getting prediction for it. So let's go to my SportyBet and copy out any random game. So this is my SportyBet account. Like I said before, I copied out Newcastle and Bournemouth match, but I'm going to be copying out another particular game again. So this is Brentford and Liverpool match. I just have to copy it. You can see. Now I will tell you what to do here. So now, if you actually want to be winning a lot of money with AI, you must make sure you go for high valued matches. Go for high rated matches like the England Premier League, Spain, Italy, Germany, and France. Those are actually high valued league, right? So go for high valued league because those league have enough data to be provided for, right? So this is Brentford and Newcastle, Brentford and Liverpool. So I have to copy out the game. I just have to hold it tight. If you're supposed to hold it tight and move your hands. So once I move your hands, I just have to copy out the game, and after that I'll have to go back to my ChatGPT to get analysis. So let's go. So this is my ChatGPT. The next thing I have to do is, because I've already copied out the prompt and paste it in the beginning of my conversation with this AI, I don't have to do it again. I just have to paste the game I want, and ChatGPT is going to make analysis for me. I'll have to sit and watch. So this particular game, Brentford versus Liverpool, ChatGPT is recommending that over 2.5 is going to happen in this particular match, and it's giving me its own reason. So you can also read the reason, and if the reason is a tangible reason for you, you can definitely go and bet it, right? So let's read these reasons and see if it is tangible for us. For both Brentford and Liverpool have been involved in high-scoring games. Liverpool attacking line is potent, with Brentford home games often seeing multiple goals, right? So you can go to your SportyBet account or your OneXBet account and check the head and check everything if this is true. So let's go and check if this is true, and if it's not, we're going to be checking out another option again in this particular AI prediction, right? So let's go. So this is it, right? The AI says that both Brentford and Liverpool are been involving on high-scoring matches or high-scoring games. So I just have to go to my SportyBet account and see for myself if this is correct. Well, so this is Brentford last 5 matches, and you can see the last 5 matches they played: 2-2, 1-0, 0-1, 0-5, 1-3, and 0-0, right? So now you can see that 3 games in the last 5 matches ended in over 2.5 goals to be scored, right? This one, 2-2, 0-5 and 1-3. 3 games in the last 5 matches for Brentford ended in over 2.5 goals to be scored. This means that Brentford can easily concede or score at least a goal, right? So Brentford is a high scoring game and they also concede a lot, right? So that is it, right? That is it. So let's go to our Liverpool matches. I'm just giving you a rough analysis so you can understand. So Liverpool last 5 matches they played 1-1, 4-0, 1-0, 2-2, and 0-5. So Liverpool last 3 matches also have over 2.5 goals to be scored, which is 4-0, 2-2, and 0-5. So this is a high potential game that this game can play over 2.5 goals to be scored and even over 1.5 goals to be scored in this particular match. So this is how to actually predict games with AI. So now let's go back to our AI to read more. Now, after getting this, we are now sure that these people can play over 2.5 goals to be scored, and you can read the next one and make your own prediction for yourself. So you can see Liverpool 3-2 prediction, correct score prediction, right? So that is the correct score prediction. But I will say for a fact, I do not believe that AI can give you the best correct score prediction ever. I have a video on how to predict correct score I will put it in the video description so you can watch it and learn for yourself, right? So that is it. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. So after reading all this, you're going to read the advice and everything, and also the recommendation and everything. So once you're done with all this, you can then have the best prediction selection, right? So for me, I'll go for Liverpool to play over 2.5 goals to be scored, right? So that's my whole based on the reading and everything, right? So that is it. So this is the first AI we're going to be focusing on. Now, the second AI you're going to be focusing on is called Gimini or Jiminy, right? So this is the name. If I'm pronouncing it very wrong, sorry for that. Gimini or Jiminy, right? So this is the name. You can go to your Play Store and search for Gemini.com or go to your app. You can go to your if you're using a Chrome like me, like an Android phone like me, you can go to your Android phone and search for Gemini.com, or if you're using an iPhone, you can go to a Safari and search for Gemini.com. You're going to take this interface like this. The next thing you have to do is to actually start a conversation with the AI. Now, this actually Gemini is an alternative for those who ChatGPT is not working for on their phone. They can use Gemini to actually predict this particular prediction, right? So if ChatGPT is not working on your phone, you can use this particular Gemini to actually get prediction for your own self. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get started, right? So the first thing you have to do is to say, hey, Gemini, I want to give you some tasks today. Remember, the same pattern you did with ChatGPT, that is the same pattern you are going to be doing with AI, right? So let's go. Now you can see I'm trying to tell the Gemini to actually act like a professional gambler, blah blah blah, and it's telling me that sorry, I cannot help you with this. Now, if you're actually facing the same situation like me, the best part you have to do is to get our other alternative. Let me show you what to do. You can go to your, let me show you what to do. You can go to your WhatsApp. If you don't actually have it, you can go to your WhatsApp and search for Meta AI, right? So this is Meta AI. To get Meta AI, you have to click on this particular icon here. You see it on your phone, on your WhatsApp. When you click on it, you're going to get something like this. So you can also use Meta AI as an alternative if Gemini is not working for you like it did to me, because I use ChatGPT a lot. So ChatGPT is what I'm using. So when you get here, the next thing you have to do, that is if Gemini or whatever is not working for you, you can also use Meta AI, right? So if Meta AI is not also working for you, you can use ChatGPT. So both of them, one of them must work for you, right? So both of them is working for me. So you can say hi, and they're going to ask you, how may I assist you today? Remember the prompt you actually copied. Remember that prompt you actually generated the first time. This is the prompt. You're going to put it on the Meta AI, and the Meta AI is actually going to be doing all that for you. It's going to send you something like this. The next thing you have to do, read the last instruction, which is please provide the games I would like to analyze, and I'll get started, right? So that is the exact word ChatGPT used. So you can definitely now pick any game. Like for example, we are going to be using Brentford versus Liverpool. You can click on it, Brentford versus Liverpool, and you can also get what you're looking for. That is if ChatGPT is not working for you, then you can do otherwise, right? So that is it, and that is how to predict with AI. So now let's read the overall. I'm not going to be reading all those long details. I'm not going to be reading it. So overall, the match is going to be an exciting one. It's hard to predict the exact outcome, but if I had to make a prediction, I would say Liverpool has a higher chance of winning, probably with a score of 2-1 to 3-1, right? So you can go for what is the recommendation? It says this particular AI is saying that Liverpool is going to be winning. So Liverpool to win, that is what this particular AI is actually saying, talking about, right? So for me, I would recommend you use ChatGPT because that is the best AI for me. So like I said before, ChatGPT is actually one of the best to use when predicting games. So you can use ChatGPT, and it's very easy to use. And don't forget to like and subscribe, notification bell button, so that video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. If you want me to predict any other betting strategy for you, you can definitely say it in the comment section, and I'm going to do that for you without any stress. So once again, I remain your boy GP Prediction. For now, peace and love. Bye bye.